Hello, all the my learners and beginners friends in English speaking journey. Welcome back to my channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi. And today, guys, I'm here with very beautiful and wonderful topic for you. It is not any specific or particular topic, but yes, it is the topic that I faced in my initial day. My topic is how to make our English journey enjoyable and how to stop considering our English journey as miserable. Okay, so for this you have to do only one thing. First of all, guys, I want to tell you the reason behind it, like why in our initial day we are considering our English practice or our English journey as miserable task, just because we are not getting good response and we are contemplating about our mistake only, about others only, like what will others say and what if others laugh at me. So for this I also want to give you a very wonderful solution that before giving the chance to laugh at you in your initial day, my dear friends, you should laugh at yourself as I laughed at myself in my initial day. And you know one thing, guys, when I didn't start my English speaking practice, that time also I was able to speak English little bit only, not a lot. Even though I was speaking correct English, but I was speaking in underconfident. And right now, after starting my channel and after starting my journey, if sometime I am speaking wrong English, no matter, but I am speaking confidently. So sometimes, you know, guys, we are just thinking so much, means we are overthinking, overwhelming our mind, and due to that only we are considering it as miserable. If I talk about learning any language, so it is not overnight process, as you know very well, you all know very well. So it requires to have patience, lot of patience. Some people are there who just learn very quickly, and some people are also there who are taking some times. And we all know very well, like learning any language is not overnight process. Definitely it will take some time, but if you are consistent and persistent to learn the language, so no one will stop you to learn it, and you will learn and also you will speak. So in my initial day, I was only just reading books, I was listening a lot, I was doing all the things, but I never focused on speaking because I was thinking only like, yes, I am consuming lots of things in English. So definitely after consuming lots of things, after learning lots of things, lots of rules, regulation of grammar, very soon I will be able to speak fluently. But it was also my mistake that I was focusing on everything that time, but I was not focusing on speaking. So ever since I realized, like, no, for speaking we have to open our mouth, we have to step out our comfort zone of our mother tongue. Until I do this, I will not be able to speak English fluently. So I started making my solo video, and also I can say I got this suggestion from lots of homemaker and YouTubers related to English. Whenever I was talking to myself, so I was making mistake, and I was also just laughing a lot at me whenever I was making mistakes. Sometimes I was making fun with my husband, and by doing all the things little by little, I got yes, confidence in English. This is our second language, not first language, not our native language. So if we really want to learn or speak, so we can speak. And so in this way, guys, I can say I have also just started enjoying my English journey, and you have to also do the same thing. So first of all, you have to keep patience in yourself. You know, patience is very crucial things to get anything in your life. Just suppose, guys, whatever you are doing in your life, like if I take example of related to your farming. So in your farm, you know, if you're a farmer, so you must be sowing seeds, and just suppose if you sow any seed in your field, so you will not get the crops, you will not be able to harvest the crops the very next day. It will take some time. You have to take care of it. You have to work consistently to get good result in your crops. So like this, just think your English also just like your crops. If you are a farmer and you want to speak English, learn English, and so for this you have to be regular, you have to be consistent, and whatever you are doing, just you are irrigating your fields, you are taking care of it, you are just giving fertilizer, manure every like time to time, you are taking care to your fields like this. So in the same way you have to take care of your English, and take care in the sense means you have to be consistent, you have to focus on practice, like reading more and more, and on listening more and more as much as you can. You have to do this, and you have to just consume lots of English. So it will be your input if you consume, and after consuming, if you have input, so definitely you are gonna perform output also. Output in the sense like what is coming out of your mouth in English. So until you consume lots of things in English, you will not be able to speak English. So always just keep all these words in your mind, and start enjoying your journey, and just focus on reading, focus on listening, focus on means watching, and moreover focus more on speaking. Okay, means until you speak, you will not be able to speak. So I hope that you got all my points. So this all was the thing, and if you do this, if you don't overwhelm your mind, if you don't overthink, so definitely you will not consider your English as miserable. You will definitely consider your English enjoyable. So my dear friends, just enjoy your journey, and speak English confidently, anywhere, with anyone, without any hesitation. So bye bye, take care.